So these are really soft. So I have here 4 of them. There's actually one more that's being used right this moment. But what's nice about these is you can use these. They're all separate. They can be used as little baskets for whatever you want. They all nestle into each other, so they don't take up a huge amount of room. What I like about these, though, is a lot of these fit right into a size of like a Corningware, which is nice. You can put that hot plate right in there, that hot bowl, and now you have a way to carry it because it has some carry handles. Put that on the table, and it keeps the heat off of your table. It's also great for transport. If you put a hot plate bowl in here, it's got a top. You can carry it now, bring it to where you have to if you're going to go visit friends or something like that, and then right there. And again, if you just want to use it just to put things in, it's really nice. We've even used them on the table. We've put like a paper towel in here, and we'll put some rolls in there. It's a nice decoration. It looks very nice. And again, what I like about them is when I'm storing them, this is how easy they sort right into each other. They fit very nicely nestled. Very well made. You can see here the texture is really nice. Nothing sticking out. Just a really good all-around quality piece of merchandise.